So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me how to actually restart the MacBook. So many of you have gone here right up to the top hand corner and you've clicked the actual turning off button. Here you've got it, the turning off. But let's say this doesn't work and you just want to turn it off real quick. So if you go to the right hand corner, or if you go to the actual button of turning on, you click it, and automatically you'll see that it blocks, but if you carry on, it will automatically turn the actual Mac off. It's really that simple. So this way you will be able to see how the actual, let's say, lighting of the actual MacBook just fits in. There you go. And automatically you'll see how the actual Mac restarts itself. So it's really that simple. I think it's pretty much amazing that we still have buttons, especially once everything stops working. You can actually restart it just by pushing the button. Okay, it's really that simple. So as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. And thank you very much for watching.